Good afternoon. Field of Little Hand School Incorporated, March 29, 2019 at Tinghao, Calabas City, Laguna. Our guest speaker is a graduate of Chemical Technology course at Technological University of the Philippines, Visayas at an early part of her life. Awareness of her son's condition redirects her plan to pursue schooling in related fields. She obtained her Bachelor of Elementary Education major in Special Education at San Pablo Colleges, where she was awarded with Excellence in Special Education, Pablo Ramos D. Award, and a cum laude student. She also obtained Master of Arts in Education, major in Special Education at Jose Rizal University, where she received a high academic distinction award. One of her darkest jobs is being a mother to a young adult with autism, who is a graduate at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños campus, with a degree of Bachelor of Arts in Sociology. His son is currently a regular employee in the HR department of a multinational company based in Calabas City, Laguna. She serves as his mentor in various conferences, especially during the Philippine National Children's Conferences in 2009, the ASEAN Children's Forum in 2010, and the ASEAN Ministerial Meeting on Social Welfare and Development in Brunei in 2010. Committed, dedicated, and hardworking are the three words which she describes herself as she continued to serve with passion and being a steward of God's creation. Please all welcome Miss Catherine L. Lopez!